Yeah, it sounds good to me. You are a beautiful person. We appreciate your help in our community of music. Thank you very much for coming by.
I get high and start taking out wax selections. First by electing Eric B for president. Zulu Nation for protection. Tri-Car Quest, KRS-One, Secret Hip Hop Intelligent, Diamond D, and the whole DITC. Ultramagnetic MCs, Gangstar doing the show for free. And you can smoke Sensi. Low finesse teaching rhyme telepathy. Biz Markie did a cover for the P is still free. Back in style was a name, bell buckles and Lees. Pumas, sticky green trees. Hit the stereo in an instant, and then I twist up a Bud Light and instant. Hit the stereo in an instant, and then I twist up a Bud Light and instant. Hit the stereo in an instant, and then I twist up a Bud Light and instant.
Hey yo, we heading to a party to go see what's happening. Smoking the law in the car, turn on some rapping. Start the freestyle, we be up on our way. Finish up the blunt. Hey yo, we heading to a party to go see what's happening. Smoking the law in the car, turn on some rapping. Start the freestyle, we be up on our way. Finish up the blunt. Hey yo, we heading to a party to go see what's happening. Smoking the law in the car, turn on some rapping. Start the freestyle, we be up on our way. Finish up the blunt. Hey yo, hey yo, we heading to a party to go see what's happening. Smoking the law in the car, turn on some rapping. Start the freestyle, we be up on our way. Finish up the blunt.
Somebody pass that spray.
Get on the freeway, yo, it's after dark. Guess who always pulls up right behind and carrying some narcs. Letting all kinds of speed cars pass, just so he can harass our black ass. Police pulling us over for no reason. Searching the car like it's nigga hunting season. Year round, asking about where's the pound, where's the guns? Are y'all niggas on the run? You got warrants? Y'all niggas ready for some torment? That's how they be cracking. It seems like they be acting, except it's real life, like they rushing up your residence, searching your crib. They can't find no evidence. Man, this stuff is making me mad, man. I'm saying, man, I ain't tripping. I'm about to do something. I'm tired of these pigs harassing every day, man.
Until the progression is done, aggression is none. Shining on them like I was undressing the sun, making sure the rest of them come. With discretion I express with my tongue, already winning half of the war, making sure the rest of it's won. Possessing the power to stretch my lungs, giving success to the young, never second guess till it's done. Heartbeat is a religion, a drum, simultaneously living among us. That's why I'm giving you some. This direction is a hit and run. We're here to kill all the depression that is making you unstable and numb. No stress is a fable to some. Use my notes as explosives and put them on a table and run. I make them become nauseous with notions of repping this style with a smart weapon. Now start stepping and learn. We came here to burn, demonstrating a new turn in life. Human came here to torch the mic. Stepping across the right path, the source is night. So live, guiding the rest of the planet towards the light. Stepping and learn. We came here to burn, demonstrating a new turn in life. Human came here to torch the mic. Stepping across the right path, the source is night. So live, guiding the rest of the planet towards the light.
is an open invitation to all MCs. If your record label pimping you for all your cheese, or if you're independent, keeping all your G's, it's for my man Richard Campbell of what we call the free.
Catch me in Philly flowing, beats going, cruise the ghetto, rock my show in Jersey, blue and yellow, stash in the back seat, ass in the back seat, straight dimes can't front, sometimes it's chopped meat, let the guards eat, cause that's the way it gotta be, my mob's deep, bringing the havoc like Prodigy, my squad keep, mad heat, cause there's a lot of beef, they wanna see me rest, put 3 in my chest, but I'm restless, see, it's my time to shine, let me bless me, 89, never exit, cause that's the way it has to be, I'm talking no gimmicks, no limits, like Master P, my faculty, actually backing me, holding gas for me, throwing gas for me, like I blast for them, while you after them, asking them about the beef with me, I get you smoked like the leaky leak, and bounce in the 740, like Sammy and Gotti did heavy poorly, there's a meaning to this like in every story, but this one is over bitches, drugs, and territories, so where my hoes at, see me laying raps for Ready Rock, and I'm the dirty dancer, catch me, ballin' for Philly like the answer, for me there really is no answer, watch the rest get scorched, hey dash and smash some seeds and step off, they don't know, the meaning of a real rap song, simple and plain, got to be that way, never coming whack, it's the principle of it, they don't know,
The lyrical pro is back in the building. Never really left, just took a little rest. Now I return, fully charged and energetic. Looking to change the ignorant and apathetic. No more playing in the sidelines. Never second string, never riding the pine. You're in the midst of a skilled veteran. Gonna be hard pressed to find one better than yours truly. Dismantles the unruly. Hitting returns like Andre Agassi. Like Tiger, the gallery is following. Protect my mind like the monks from the Shaolin. Doesn't take a real genius to know you need help along the way to parlay your musical vision placed upon the masses. Curated in my world of all the wackiness. Take a seat, just lean back, relax your mind. Feel this groove making you move. Now it's your time. Take control. So, now you're on the way. Let's proceed. Really your need.
Microphone checker. I got my swag in the booth. I lean to the left. I inject perfection and suck the nectar right out the track board and give you what you asked for. Microphone checker. I got my swag in the booth. I lean to the left. I inject perfection and suck the nectar right out the track board and give you what you asked for. Microphone checker. I got my swag in the booth. I lean to the left. I inject perfection and suck the nectar right out the track board and give you what you asked for. Microphone checker. I got my swag in the booth. I lean to the left. I inject perfection and suck the nectar right out the track board and give you what you asked for. What you lack, dog. Kel the skill rapper, cold flow with the wind chill factor. Put it down on this Magnificence album. Mike screaming back at me like yo, spit that son. I'm international, but I'm BK ball. Flex and drop a bomb. Jeff, give me that napalm. I take a hot track and turn it into great song. So glide on it like I bathe in 8 songs. It won't even take long. Chef homeboy ID, I get my fricassee and my bacon. Kel spit it vicious, forget about it. You stuff from my food for thought, slick with the dishes. Your boy on a mission, my position, be the definition of a real MC. I'm what the game's missing. Take a listen, learn the definition of a real MC.
Nobody in the head, not yet anyway.
Say we're looking for a bad day. Say we're looking for a bad day. Say we're looking for a bad day. Say we're looking for a bad
Speaking whole beat measures divided up in parts and sections. Days, hours, minutes, and seconds. Direct from the spot forgotten on your election. Drill laced with fragments, speech clipped with accents. Phenomenal advent for future and the past tense. Blew up the room in my absence. Live for closed caption. Watch my song vibrate with passion. The response and action to life over rations. I come from where anything can happen and usually does. You find tension where it used to be love. I use my word to shine light inside the dark valleys. The dark alley, UK, US, New York, Cali. From this king to all counties, I out loudly declare my will to change the things that surround me. And seek bounty, and stay striding, and keep striving. I seek guidance like the sun at the dawn. I keep rising like that, y'all.
Brighter day came my way. Had to decide, was I gonna stay? Packed my things and I moved on. That was the day that it all begun.
Relax, keep your feet up, spark one. Show you how it's done. Look, baby. Sweat it. So simple. As grains of sand pass from hand to hand, I watch time stand still, I'm just one man. That's out for all, so all should be for one. Grew up on the drum with the JB. The son who spun the record that his pops collected. Went on to create and perfect the unexpected. Funky beat sound, watch the family slide with the right and give cousin a pound. Watch the young ones play and think back in the day when fresh was the style plus the word to say. It's all love now. Let me show you how. Take time out and show you what life's about.